5-star experience ang hatid ng isang resort sa Laguna. Ang sikreto para ma-achieve ang excellent rating na ito, ibinahagi mismo ng owner. Tara matuto at ma-inspire sa another business story kasama si Dayan Medina Ilustre dito sa Negosyo Tayo.
Hi, Miss John. Good morning.
Hello, Miss Dayan. Good morning. It's so nice to be here.
And of course, I'm so excited also to get to know more about your business journey. Kwentuhan mo kami, paano ba nagsimula ito?
Yes. So, maliit pa lang ako, I dreamt of having my own business. And when I got employed, part of my plan was to retire early sa corporate. And nung pandemic nga, just before the pandemic hits, we were searching for properties already to be our staycation home. And then eventually, during pandemic, nawala ng work yung mga construction workers namin because we're into that business as well. So we decided na i-house sila dun sa property and then started building our dream vacation home. And then from vacation home, most of our friends got interested. Tell us about this place and then can we rent? So it started it all na.
Given this kind of business, itong resort business, ano ba yung mga natutunan natin or masishare natin sa mga kanegosyo natin if gusto nila magtayo rin ng resort?
Okay, my number one advice is you really have to listen to the customers. Because they'll be the primary source of insights, ideas, innovations na pwede mong gawin sa resort. And the first place sila yung isa-serve mo talaga na client. And number two, you really have to innovate your offerings. Kasi ngayon, you have to stay relevant, diba? Sa dami ng mga competitions, ang daming resorts din within the area. And you have to make sure you have this particular differentiation. Bakit pupunta sila at babalik sila sa iyong resort, diba?
Let's talk about the operations. May mga struggles and challenges din ba along the way? And we know, mahirap din talaga mag-operate ng isang resort.
Right. In a hospitality or resort business, ang pinakamahirap doon is managing the team and the people behind it because they'll be the one who will face the customers. So we have trained our staff very well to have a 5-star experience for our guests. Number one yon na ang goal namin is for this guest to go back. And so when we train them, we make sure that they really provide a 5-star customer service experience.
Bakit po ba importante magnegosyo ang bawat mamamayang Pilipino?
Nako, pagka naging ano ka lang, well, hindi ko nilalang, no? As employee, you just rely on a paid salary. Sa panahon ngayon na napakataas na ng mga bilihin, it's going to be a challenge. You will always struggle. So, dapat marami tayong streams of income. Sa taas ng presyo ng mga bilihin, lahat ng mga nabibili natin ngayon, parang ang liit na ng value ng pera natin. So, we really have to keep on learning new businesses, keep on finding opportunities and ways how to increase our source of income.
Ang negosyo hindi nagsisimula sa pera, nagsisimula sa tapang na subukan kahit takot ka pa. Magkita-kita ulit tayo sa susunod na episode mga kanegosyo para sa iba pang business stories na ihahatid namin sa inyo. Kaya naman tara, negosyo tayo!